Where are we going?
In February of 2023, we took a trip to the beautiful state of Colorado. Where we began by visiting the San Juan mountains near Durango. So we will share with you some things to do, where we ate, enjoyed some treats, and our day skiing at Purgatory Resort. If you're new to our channel, welcome. This is our family adventures, spending 2 days in Durango, Colorado.
Here we go.
Caleb, where are we going? See snow? Hi, Izzy. Woohoo! We flew into Montrose, Colorado with our family, and because we changed our plans last minute to include skiing at Purgatory, we had to drive back 2 hours to Durango. Our car rental was already reserved at Montrose, and it would have been too expensive to reserve a new car in Durango last minute. But just FYI, there is an airport in Durango if that is where you'd like to stay for your trip. On our drive, right after passing Ouray, we stopped at Bear Creek Falls Viewpoint. What are you girls doing?
We're taking photos of the dolls. There we go.
It's so cool. Wow, that looks like a big house cat. A scary one. Are you cold?
Freezing.
His hands are purple. Ever see you get a little drone shot? This viewpoint offers some stunning mountain views as well as a waterfall which in the winter is mostly frozen. And for those who enjoy hiking, there is the Bear Creek Trail nearby that leads up to the waterfall. This is a very popular area for hiking, horseback riding, and snowshoeing. The trail is open year-round and is beautiful to visit anytime. We will reveal Ouray and the $1 Million Highway on our next video, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to see that video once we post it. The views from the roads in this area are stunning, and the snow gives it that cherry on top. As we got closer to Durango, we made a quick pit stop at the Performance Sports Ski Rentals so that we could have our skis with us the next morning and be ready to go. Let me see, Gigi. You ready? What's up with you? You want to go to the hotel? And you just hungry? It was already late and we were starving, so we had some delicious pizza at Home Slice. There's several options to either customize your toppings or choose from their menu. Tastes good? Stop? Gostosa? What you putting on there? Oh.
The next morning.
Purgatory Resort is located 25 miles north of Durango in the rugged San Juan Mountains. It averages 260 inches of snow annually and is known for consistent dry powder, followed by sunny days, giving it perfect skiing conditions. The base elevation is 8,793 feet, while the summit elevation is 10,822 feet. There is lodging available as well if you prefer to stay close by for more ski days, and they also offer childcare for those with little ones too young to ski. The Village Plaza base area features lodging, retail shops, restaurants, and bars. Prices for lift tickets in the winter vary based on demand, so purchase early for the best rates. You can even get them for as low as $9 on certain days. The best perk for families is that children 12 and younger are free.
Where are we going?
Caleb's skiing the first time. I don't know, fifth time?
Are you having fun, Trisha?
Yeah.
Caleb's going down the mountain. Mommy.
Woo, Caleb!
Purgatory also offers group or private lessons for full or half days, available for children and adults. Known as a family resort, Purgatory features over 1,600 acres of skiable terrain with 105 trails and 11 lift chairs. I will add their website link in the description box of this video so you can check out all the latest prices and information.
Hello. There's my sister. We're in the middle of beautiful, quiet mountains. Can't hear anything except our skis.
Later that same evening.
And after a long day on the slopes, we had fun in the warm swimming pool of our hotel.
The next day.
It's so deep.
Let's see. We're at the train station, but it's not running today. We wanted to see the train leaving. We went on this ride 2 years ago. Hey, you can get your feet all wet. Let's go get your boots.
The Durango and Silverton Narrow Gauge Railroad is one of the most famous attractions in the area. Built in 1881 through 1882 by the Denver and Rio Grande Railroad, the narrow gauge line from Durango to Silverton climbs nearly 3,000 feet in 45 miles. It was built to carry ore from mines in the San Juan Mountains. It was after World War II that the line started the conversion of hauling ore to tourists, and now the scenic route is a major tourist attraction. Prices can range from $89 to $199 for adults, depending on which class you select, and children under 12 cost from $64 to $99. There is a light lunch available in a concession car with a few options such as hot dogs, light sandwiches, and other light snacks, as well as refreshments, coffee, and hot cocoa. And they also have the option to purchase boxed lunches in advance. So I will leave their website in the description box of this video for those of you interested in taking this amazing ride along the Rocky Mountains, so that you can research which ride to choose, updated pricing, departure times, and book your tickets. From mid-November to December 31st, there is the Polar Express train ride for what seems like a real fun thing to do with children. The train uses approximately 10,000 gallons of water per round trip and 12,000 pounds of coal, which is shoveled one shovelful at a time. This narrow gauge line was voted one of the world's top 10 most exciting train rides by the Society of American Travel Writers in 2009. It winds through some spectacular scenery with canyons and wilderness in the San Juan National Forest. You can enjoy the coal-fired, steam-powered locomotive the same way that miners, cowboys, and settlers in the Old West did a century ago. In the warmer months of May through October, the train can go all the way to Silverton and back. That journey takes 3.5 hours each way, with a 2-hour layover in Silverton. We took the Cascade Canyon Winter Train, which runs from November to February and is a 5.25-hour round trip departing from Durango that takes you into the San Juan Forest Cascade Canyon, where it stops for 60 minutes, allowing you to have lunch, take photos, or walk along the Animas River. Rotary Park is located just 5 minutes from downtown Durango, where you can walk along the Animas River and take in the beautiful views. This park is equipped with restrooms, fishing areas, picnic tables, and a gazebo. And there's also a brewery nearby. The Animas River flows through Durango and has a 4-mile strip of gold meadow waters. This means it produces a minimum of 12 14-inch plus trout per acre, 60 pounds of standing stock, and must be accessible to the public. At an elevation of 6,512 feet, Durango was founded in 1880 by the Denver and Rio Grande Railroad, due to the region's mining boom of silver and gold in the 1870s. The city population in 2020 was 19,071. The Strater Hotel is Durango's historic landmark, built in 1887. It features 88 unique guest rooms, a Wild West-themed saloon, a craft cocktail lounge, steak and seafood fine dining restaurant, and year-round live entertainment.
What's it doing?
Durango was actually named after Durango, Mexico, because as the story goes, Colorado's former territorial governor A.C. Hunt was traveling through Durango, Mexico, at the time when the name for the new town was being decided, and so he thought the two regions looked similar. From historic boutique hotels, award-winning restaurants, laid-back brew pubs, art galleries, museums, and shops, downtown Durango is a must-visit when staying in town. As we were walking through downtown, we saw a sign outside of one of the souvenir stores for a mining experience, so we went in to check it out.
Go.
We're gonna go mining for some big stones. And diamonds. Bam, bam, bam!
Shake it.
Yeah. Look!
Any others?
Look at this one.
Put him in here.
I also got this.
Okay, so that's what you got, huh? Wow.
Much more in
You got a
here.
full bag.
Yeah, maybe even more than a full bag.
Was that fun?
Yeah, we found a lot. It was so much fun. We found a lot of things.
For lunch, we happened to be walking by the Steamworks Brewing Company and restaurant, and we are glad we decided to have lunch there. Besides offering award-winning craft brews, they serve healthy salads, delicious pizzas, spicy Southwestern-style dishes, and vegetarian and gluten-free offerings. And we certainly had to try a couple of their brews and ordered the Colorado Kolsch and the Steam Engine Lager, two of the brews with the most awards.
Good?
You like it? I like the dark one better.
You like it better?
The dark
Really?
one.
Which one was yours? This Colorado Kolsch? Tried that one, and mine is the Steam Engine Lager.
You got a cheeseburger. Gigi got salmon. Oh, that's nice. Nancy got a gyro. And I got a fish tacos. That looks really good.
I love my cheeseburger. It's so yummy.
And for a dessert treat, we found this chocolate store, the Animas Chocolate Company, which could be a great option if you're looking for something sweet and delightful or to warm up with a coffee or nice hot cocoa.
My hot chocolate was so good.
The variety of handcrafted chocolates made in-house was huge, including truffles of many flavors. If you've watched this far, we truly thank you, and would be so grateful if you click the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to see more of our videos. Also, be on the lookout for our next videos where we will cover Ouray and Telluride in Colorado.